In this video, I am going to show you how to change your virtual background in Zoom call. So all you have to do here is to look for the settings on your Zoom, or let's just say this gear icon here. Tap this one. Now you can see here settings, and all you have to do is to tap this background effects that is under Zoom apps. Okay, tap this background effects here, and once you tap this you can see a few background or a few image in which you can set as your background on your video call. So let's just say you pick this one, or let's just say you want to add or import an image or background from your computer or your device. Click the plus icon, go to Pictures, Downloads, or Documents, and select the image that you want to set as your background. So once you're okay with that, you can now click Close. Now you can start your new meeting. All you have to do is just X this one and then click New Meeting here. Okay, so you have to wait for a couple of seconds till the options below appear, but as you can see, your background is visible. Okay, now if you are not satisfied with this one and you think it is not fit to your meeting, all you have to do is to tap this view here. Click this immersive view, and as you can see here, choose immersive view. There are lots of background here to choose. For example, your meeting is all about like education, or let's just say your meeting is all about entertainment or something like that. You can choose any background here that is close to your topic, close to your meeting, and all you have to do is to tap that. So that's how easy it is to change your virtual background in Zoom call. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next videos.